Yeah, a lot of people are still bothered about opening a YouTube account and how to set up the account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open a YouTube channel, a YouTube account channel with your email. But number one thing I want to tell you, it's paramount. So what I want to tell you now is, if you know that your email, that your Gmail, not any other email, but your Gmail, YouTube is only working with Gmail. YouTube works with Gmail only. So if you know that your Gmail is not verified and probably the phone number you used to open the Gmail is no longer available, please don't use it to open the YouTube channel. Please, because when it gets to verification level, it will affect you. When you get to monetization, it will still affect you. So please, if you know that your email, probably the phone number you used, you misplaced it, you're not using it again, you can't even see the SIM card again, please don't use it. It's better you open a new email account with the current phone number you're using. Okay, so let's continue. So getting a YouTube account, you need your Gmail account. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to open your YouTube channel and some settings you're going to do immediately you open the channel. Few settings you're going to do. Subsequent videos, I'm still going to show you other settings. We have a lot of settings. If I should start showing you all the settings, I won't be able to run that today. So please kindly follow the page, kindly share the video, please. Share this video the same way you're seeing this video. We got a lot of people out there who have not been opportuned to have this opportunity to see such video. Please, so share the video to everyone. Share the video to your page, like and share, comment, drop a comment where you don't understand, drop a comment and I'll get to help you out. So let's get to the main business. Okay, so to create a YouTube channel, you will need two applications, which is the YouTube application and the YouTube Studio application. These are two different applications. It's just like having the real TikTok and TikTok Studio. So this one we have the YouTube and YouTube Studio. They work hand in hand. They have their separate functions. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube and how to use the YouTube Studio. But in today's tutorial is just to create a YouTube channel. So let me go into the normal YouTube account, not the YouTube Studio. So this is my normal YouTube account. It's showing this way because I have a channel already. That's why it's showing this way. I have a channel already. So you that doesn't have a channel, if you've not got any channel at all, when you open, it might show empty. It might be empty. So for you to create a channel, you go to where you see the YouTube profile, click on it, and then you see create an account. Mine here is showing this way because I have an account already. So you see create account. When you click the create account, it will take you to where you input your email, because it works with your email, a valid email. You click and input your email. After inputting your email, it will ask you for your first name and your last name. You input your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and just provide the information you see, and then click on create. It automatically creates your account. Then after creating your account, this account, you're not going to use your name and your surname. So probably your name, okay, my name is Prince Joseph, but my account name is Vibes TV. So what do I do? When I'm done creating my account, I come back to where I see view channel. I will click on view channel. It will take me to my channel. This is my second channel. I've not got any post on it yet. So it will take you to your channel. You click on this pencil sign. Click on the pencil sign. It will take you to where you can edit your channel informations. So here, you click on the name, pencil sign where you see name. And then that's where you can input your name, your channel name, what you want your channel to be, apart from your normal name. So mine is Vibes TV. I inputted Vibes TV there. So input your handle. Your handle should not, it's not compulsory. Sorry, it's not compulsory that your handle should be the same thing with your channel name. So my channel name might be Vibes TV and my handle might be Prince Joseph. But why I would say you should use the same thing as your channel name is because if you want to share your channel name with someone, you might tell someone, go and check for Vibes TV. The person might check for Vibes TV and will be like, I can't find Vibes TV. What you would say next is you can type at Vibes TV 3. Maybe you type, go to the search bar here, the search bar, and type at Vibes TV 3. Just go to the search bar and use at, then you type Vibes TV 3. It will come up, Vibes TV 3. It will definitely come up, and search. It will come up immediately. So that's why I do advise it should be the same thing with your channel name. So it will also correspond with your channel URL. You can also copy the channel URL here and send to someone. So it will be very easy for someone to remember your channel. Very, very easy for someone to remember your channel. But when the name is different and the handle is different, the handle goes with the description, with the channel URL you copy for someone. But when it's different, the two of them are different, it might confuse someone. Then over here also input description. It's also very important immediately you create your channel, because after creating your channel, someone might just come into your channel to check first, even without posting any video, to check, okay, this is what this person wants to do, and it's coming up with something like this. Okay, I'll stay in touch with this person. You type in what you want to be doing with this channel. Very important. What are you going to be doing in this channel? You type it in here. You can also copy the channel URL. You copy the channel URL, go to your description and paste it. You can see I pasted my own. Let me change it. Since I changed I changed my channel name. That's why it's still showing Prince Viva. It was Prince Viva before, so I now changed it to Vibes TV. So now I'm going to paste it with the new channel name. So I'm going to paste it now. You can see I've pasted it. It's showing http youtube.com at Vibes TV 3. You understand? Then you can also add some hashtags you want to be used. My own hashtag YouTube, I go live, so I put hashtag live, hashtag subscribe, hashtag YouTube community. But it's not like it has anything to do with your channel. It's just to show YouTube that this is what hashtags you're into. That's just it. So when you're done, you click on save. So when you're done, you can see my channel has a profile picture and a background picture. For the profile picture, you can choose a picture and put in for the profile picture. But for the background picture, I will need to show you how to input a background picture. If you should input any picture on your background picture, it will be too large. So I will show you in subsequent videos. I'm going to show you how to create a background picture for your YouTube using any of the applications. It's either thumbnail maker, or you can use CapCut. You can use InShot, any of them. Yeah, any of these applications that you want to use, you can use it to create the background picture for your YouTube. But if you put any other picture, any picture you snap, it won't come out well. Why? Because it has its own resolution. So when you're done with that, you're done with the first setup of your YouTube channel. So you can start posting videos on your channel. You can post your first video or your short. All you need to do is to click on create. It will ask you to choose, is either create a short, upload a video. Go live will not go. You won't be able to go live. Or you can create a post. The last option here you're seeing, create a post, is to create a picture. Like you can upload your picture and write something on top. Like now, if I should create a post, I can input my picture, click here, choose any, you give access. Yeah, this is one thing, you have to give access. You give YouTube access to your gallery. So I can choose here, click on any picture. Next, the picture comes up. I'll click done. Then when it comes up, I'm going to put up a write-up. I might say, hi guys, I'm new here on YouTube, blah 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 blah, and type all what you want to type, and then you click on post. It will post. So that's a kind of introduction to your YouTube channel. introducing yourself to YouTube, the first post, or you create a short video introducing yourself, or you create a long video to introduce yourself, introduce what you do. So, guys, I'm going to stop here for now. If this is so interesting to you, kindly follow the page, like, share the video, please. Share the video. Anyway you don't understand, drop a comment on the comment section and I get to help you out. Yes, if you don't understand, drop a comment on the comment section and I will get to help you out. I know this tutorial is a bit long. Yeah, because YouTube is not just child's play, so that's why it's long. I have to show you details of how to do this. So see you in my subsequent video. The next video, I'm going to show you on how to do other things, other settings you need to do on YouTube, some things you need to turn on and things you need to turn off on YouTube, probably while posting or while uploading anything you're doing. Thank you for staying and have a nice time.